This is an introduction to SpeakMore Software, based on the Bikey language engine. With the SpeakMore series, you can learn over 600 words and phrases. The first thing you do is choose a category or list of words. In this example, I'm using Brazilian Portuguese. Your language, of course, may differ. You can see that we have a lot of different lists. Animals, at the hotel, at the restaurant, bathroom, scrolling all the way down to weather. In this example, I'm going to use meetings and greetings. There are 3 steps when using SpeakMore. The first step is to preview it.
Bom dia.
In this step, you see the word in English, and you both see and hear the word in your target language. Listen to the word and try to repeat it. To move on to the next word, just click Next.
Boa noite. Adeus.
You can click play and repeat the same word as many times as you'd like.
Adeus. Adeus. Adeus.
And if the word is too fast, click the little turtle button and everything slows down.
Adeus. Adeus.
Once you're satisfied, click Next to move on to the next word.
Senhora. Não.
Once you've previewed all the words in this list, you can move on to the next step. This is step 2, recognize it.
Não.
In this step, you will first see the word in the target language and then try to identify its English equivalent.
Senhora. Adeus.
The default is the spoken mode, but if you switch to written mode, then you have to write down the word so there's no cheating.
Sim.
In this case, I know that this word is yes. I type in yes, and I'm correct.
Boa noite.
Now I know that this word means good night, but I'm going to make a mistake. I'm going to type good morning, and you can see that it tells me, sorry, try again.
Bom dia.
This is the word for good morning, and I'm correct. Once you're able to recognize all the words in your list, then the third and final step is to produce it. Just like in step 2, you can choose whether to speak the word to yourself or provide the written translation. Let's look at a couple examples.
Senhor.
Let's switch to the written mode. Now, one of the things about many languages is that the letters aren't written exactly like they're written in English. In this case, we have an N, and then we have another letter, which is A, with a symbol above it. By hitting the up or down arrow on your keyboard, you can actually scroll through the different symbols that might be above the letter. In this case, we know it's this. This is the word for no, and you can see that I am correct.
Não.
Now look at the right side where it says Learning Step 3, Written Produce It, Step 3 Percentage Complete, List Percentage Complete. This allows you to track your progress both within the step and the entire list. Once your list percentage reaches 100%, then you obviously know all the words in the list. Now, that was a quick example of how to learn a few words in just one language. One of the great things about SpeakMore is that as you master a word, you see it less frequently than the ones that you are still learning. So you're always focused and engaged on the words and phrases that are troubling you. You're not constantly relearning words that you might already know. If you'd like to know more about SpeakMore Software or our other language products, please visit us online at travellinguist.com. Thank you.